Today, Adam and Jamie are testing the myth of the exploding toilet. According to the legend, a person sitting on a toilet threw a cigarette butt into it, which caused an explosion that supposedly launched him into the air. It is assumed that some kind of flammable substance had previously entered the toilet. Adam and Jamie developed an experimental plan and got to work. First, they selected a suitable toilet. Next, Jamie built a protective suit for the test, but for safety reasons, decided not to test the myth on himself. Instead, the team chose to use a special mannequin. After that, Jamie constructed a mechanical arm designed to remotely drop a cigarette butt into the toilet. Everything was ready, and they could proceed to the final phase of the experiment. They built a mock bathroom inside a special enclosure and set up a high-speed camera. Then, the experiment began. At first, they used flammable hairspray, but it produced no result. For the second attempt, they tried butane gas, but to the team's surprise, that did not work either. They then replaced the cigarette with a match. The gas ignited, but the result was still insufficient. Deciding to raise the stakes, they poured gasoline into the toilet. Once again, the cigarette produced no effect, so it was replaced with a match. The result was slightly stronger, but still not an explosion. Eventually, they had to obtain real gunpowder. They placed the mannequin on the toilet, poured an entire container of gunpowder into it, and began the test. The match fell into the gunpowder and it exploded, but the force was still not strong enough to lift a person off the toilet. Thus, the myth was officially busted.